how to erase Gaming Hub personal data on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the Apps screen. In here, open up Gaming Hub. Now in Gaming Hub, I will go back to the main Gaming Hub homepage. After that, tap on the More button. Then tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down, then tap on Erase Personal Data. Then tap on Erase, and then tap on Erase. Here it says it will permanently erase your Gaming Hub data. All of your Gaming Hub data on your phone installed by Samsung will be erased. Gaming Hub features that use your Samsung account won't be available until that process is complete. So if you're sure to go ahead, then simply just tap on the Erase button. For now, I will simply cancel. After that, tap on the back key to go back to your Gaming Hub, or tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.